Hi everyone, welcome, and thank you for joining us at golfcartgarage.com. Today on GCGTV, we're taking a closer look at our line of two-piece foldable windshields. We've taken this one out of the box for a better look than photos on the internet can give us, and we'll take a short crash course in how to order just the right windshield for your golf cart make and model. The one I've got here in the garage today is for Yamaha Drive or G29 model carts up to model year 2016. It's made of high-quality, 3/16-inch shatter-resistant acrylic, and the page featuring this windshield at Golf Cart Garage also features an easy-to-follow installation video. It's perfect for quick protection from rain or wind, can be ordered tinted for sunny days, comes with a 1-year warranty, and if you buy 2 or more, you can put them in front of you if you spend your Sunday morning playing drums in church. It's available in sizes to fit many different makes and models of carts from Yamaha, E-Z-GO, and Club Car at Golf Cart Garage. Use the blue bar at the top of the page to select your make, and then click on the Windshields category to find yours. You can also just type the name of your make and the word windshield into the search bar at the upper right. Whether you're protecting you and your passengers from the elements, installing the tinted model option for sun protection, or putting this up at the dinner table to use as a sneeze guard to protect yourself from what the kids bring home from school, this is clearly a great addition to any cart. They all come with installation hardware to go on the golf cart right out of the box, and they all come with great customer service right here at golfcartgarage.com. Our friendly customer care specialists are here to answer all your questions and help find just the right windshield for your machine. Check out the link to this product in the video description below and stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call, 1-800-401-2934 to help outfit your golf cart today. Remember to subscribe below for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.